hi YouTubers. So I'm joining wolfquset. I heard it's super duper awesome. Busy. Let me see, what should my name be? Fluffy. No. Fluffy. How light should I be? Ooh, that's a really pretty light. Oh my goodness, I'm so light. No, I want it to be light as it can get. How light will this go? Ooh, pretty gray wolf. Oh, well, a minute. I'm stamina high. Speed high. Strength high. And I want to be a female. Ow. Man, I see church. Me and Oreos and a bit down and not blue. Da 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 da. Oh. And there I am. Now let's see what territory I need to go to. My sister is playing this game and we can hear the extra noise. Okay. We're playing it. Making. No. Okay. I'm racing cute one. I don't have time to chase that bear thing, my body. Ashton, this video. No, I don't want to on that way. There we go. Okay, go. I don't know. How long do you want me to do my wolfquest videos? I usually do them for I usually do animal gym videos 7 minutes. So just yeah. Wolfquest, not animal gym. Let's see how far I just entered one. Wait. I have no idea what that's saying. What was that? Oh yeah, Fluffy. Always gotta save your game every once in a while, otherwise it won't save it. So. We just entered it. I just picked up a stamp. Gotta follow it. No, I want to go this way. I'm looking for that. Oh, I'm out of the territory. Baby, be careful. There you go. Okay, got that. Oh, I just picked up a stick. No, why am I doing this? Oh, you got it. I heard you. Oh. Here. There's me. Picked it up again. Thanks, making me mad. Hang on, gotta do something real quick. I'm gonna pause. Let's see how far I am. This is where I'll go into the... Got a lot of sound rare. Cool. Right? Here, I'm gonna leave this territory and come back here and stop and pick up. Oh. Run! Run, run, run! Woo. Almost out. Again. And out. Out. Okay. There we go. Stop running. Stop running. We are going to turn around. Nope. Right, no, this way. A little more right there. A little more. And run. He got in the room. I know, Libby. I gotta go for a step right now. Oh. And is that what my cats are gonna look like? Oh. No. What? There is a bug. No, I want to kill the bug. Actually.
Kill the bug.
I don't know what type of bug it is. I don't know.
Oh my god.
It's right by Danny. It's just a, you know. Ah. Things scary. Mommy. Which way? This way. You know, I'm gonna go. Mommy, what do you think he's eating? Sandwich. Yeah, but I've seen those before. I'm heading straight towards Mommy. I'm not in territory.
What's that about?
Yeah.